Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to use Melbet app. This is really easy. Before we continue, I have something special for you. I invite you to create a professional Melbet account. To do this, you will click on register. Next, you will click on full. Here you're going to enter all your personal information, and at the promo code section you're going to enter the promo code CAMTV. By using this promo code, you will get 300% bonus. So if you recharge your account with $50, you will get $150. The Melbet app is simply a platform when you can enjoy playing with bets and earning money. So all you have to do here is to select some matches or some play or some games. You can find out that there's a match section where you can choose between live section with live betting option, or you can choose pre-matches like these matches in many championship available. So what you're going to do is just to click on the sports section at the top, and next you're going to find out many sports like football, cricket, basketball, ice hockey, tennis, and much more. So you're just going to click like on football, and then you're going to find out all the championship available in live matches. And if you click on pre-match, you're going to find out all the championship available in pre-matches like the France championship. You're just going to click on France, and then you're going to click on the France League 1. Here you're going to find out many matches, so you can just click on one. And here you're going to find out all the available outcome on which you can bet. Like you can find out the goal will score up to which minute, you can find out the win or loss, you can find out the halftime, full time, and many other betting options. So you're just going to click on one of these options and click on add to bet slip, and then you're going to do so for as many options of matches as you want. So you can just click on any match and just directly add anything to your bet slip. Next, you're going to head back, and if you head back completely, you're going to find out the live option. You're going to click on live, and the live option will permit you to directly place a bet on ongoing matches. So you're just going to click on whatever live match you want, and then you're going to select any outcome you wish to add on your bet slip. Now you're just going to click on your bet slip icon at the bottom, and next you're going to find out all the matches that you have added to your bet slip and the total odds for your bet. So you're just going to scroll up, and this bar will appear. So here you're going to enter the amount you wish to bet on it. Like you can enter 5,000, and then you can find out that you have a potential winning of 95,000. So you're just going to click on bet after you have top up your account with the amount you wish to bet on, and then you will find out that if the outcome is correct, you are going to earn your exact potential winning for this bet. So it's very simple to make money with. So you are just going to top up your account first, and to do so you're just going to click on the menu icon, then you're going to click on the deposit icon at the top right. So here you're going to find out many payment methods. So you're just going to select any payment method that suits you to top up your account. And next, once you have won, to withdraw the money so that you can have it directly for you, you're just going to click on the menu icon. You're just going to click on the setting icon at the top right, and then you're going to find out the option of withdraw from account. So you're just going to click on withdraw from account, and then you're going to find out many withdrawal options through which you can directly withdraw your money. So this is basically how you can earn with the Melbet platform, and it's as simple as that.